Good morning, students. My name is M.S. Somshikar from Yulambika Girls High School, Serigere. Children, in the previous class from the 8th standard, we are dealing with the third unit, that is Jamaican Fragment by A.L. Hendricks. In the previous classes, we learned how the elders are Judaized. Judaized means Purvagraha Pedita. They have a notion, an idea that is false for the issues like color, caste, class. For these reasons, they have some prejudice. Here is one such an example he has written from his own experience by A.L. Hendricks. In this story, in the previous class, we learned that our author A.L. Hendricks had a habit of walking daily from home to railway track and railway track to home in the morning and evening because he thought it was a good exercise for him. Along with that, you can see either side green and red roofed bungalows. You can enjoy. There are so many beautiful gardens, green gardens, flowers are there. You can enjoy while walking. So he thought walking was a pleasant. So while he was walking, in the midst of the road, one day he saw two boys were playing. He don't want to say it is a play. It is a different kind of play. Because the two boys, one of them was smaller, another one was bigger. The smaller boy was white in color and a smooth reddish hair. And he was having a eyes like gasoline. So next, one more boy was there. He was a little bigger, but he was strong. Both are strong. He seems to be 5 years old. He has a mat of coarse hair on his head. He has a coal black eye. So seeing them, the author thought they are different, but they wore same dress. Both are wearing khaki pants, blue shirts, no shoes. They were playing a game. Indeed, you want to say not to say game because the big smaller playmate, the white boy, used to give a command: get me a cup of water, jump into the flowers, pick up the stick. The bigger playmate, he was a white block boy, did all his orders, obeyed his orders very obediently. Seeing this scene, our author shocked. Why? Why the smaller white boy was giving a commands and the bigger black boy was accepting his commands without any word? He thought, in his own country like Jamaica, did the people at this age, at this small age, were they accepted that white are superior and black are inferior? White are fit to rule and order, black are to follow. He thought deeply on the subject the whole day, even in the night. So many questions arose in his mind about the color discrimination. Even so, how it is possible, even that little tender age, how these boys can behave like this? He cannot be understand. He cannot make out the reason. He thought that bigger boy may be the son of the servant of the white boy's family. Then he thought, no, it is not possible because they are dressed same. Or he may be the friend of the neighbor's son. No. Or he may be the servant's son. Like this, he was asking questions to himself. The next day, he went on the walk for the same road. Once again, he witnessed the two boys were playing. When the previous day, when he came back at the time, the boys were not. When the next day he was going to duty, he saw once again the two boys were playing. He wanted to see what they were going to play that day. That day, it is astonishing for the writer, author, because instead of the small white boy, bigger black boy was giving the commands, and the smaller white boy was accepting his commands so obediently. He was shocked. Oh, what I thought was wrong. My notion notion was wrong, my idea was wrong, I am prejudiced about the color discrimination. Actually, they are playing the games like me as we are children. It is just a game at all, not a discrimination. So they are changing the roles every alternate days. One boy took the master role, another boy took a servant role. They will change it every alternate days. So on the next day, the one person was watching them just like him. As like the author, one more person was watching the boys from the gate. There was a man at the gate. He was watching. Next, I shall continue. So what are the commands given by the white boy? White boy gave 3 commands. Pick up the stick, bring me the water, and jump into the flowers. Yes. What are the 2 commands given by the black boy? The bigger black boy gave only 2 commands. One was get me a banana. Second one is peel it for me. Shall I continue? Okay. I saw it now. It indeed was a game I had played as a child. Even each boy took it a turn every alternate day as to be the boss and the other as the slave. It had been great fun to me as a youngster. I smiled as I remember. I looked at the man standing by the gate. He was a white man. I remembered what I had thought yesterday. No doubt, I thought to myself, was wondering if the black race is superior to the white. I laughed gently with myself. How silly we grown-ups are to be misinterpret child's action. This man, I said to myself, will be worrying all day. Perhaps he thinks the black race will end the rule over the whites. Now I will try to clarify and drive away all the doubts from his mind. So, the next day, when the author saw the black boy was giving a command and the white boy is accepting commands, his mental pressure was decreased. Totally he was free from his tension. So what he was thought was wrong. What he thought about the boys' play was wrong. I saw it now. Now he understood. It was not the color discrimination, just it was a game played by the boys. It indeed was a game. He said it is just a game. A game I have played as a child. It is a game. That game I have already played by the author when he was a child. When he was playing it, when he was a child, the same game the boys were going to play. They are playing the same game without any discrimination. They don't have any discrimination. They don't have any color discrimination. They don't have any bad notion. Just they are playing as the boys. Each boy took a turn every alternate day. Each boy. One day black boy became a master. Next day white boy became a master. Today black boy became a servant. Next day white boy became a servant. Then every alternative day, each boy took a turn as to be the boss, the other the slave. Every alternative, one boy will take a role of a boss and other as a servant. Just they are playing by changing their role every alternate. He sees this scene, he becomes greatly relieved his mind. He has great relief. It had been a great fun to me as a youngster. It is a great fun for him because what he has thought previous day, he thought seriously about the game. So when he saw the next day, his tension was relieved. Then I smiled as I remembered. Then he smiled. He smiled himself when he remembered his thoughts previous day. I looked at the man standing at the gate. Yes, there was one more person at the gate. He too was watching the child's game. He thought, yesterday I was mistaken the boys' game. In the same way, 100% this person also mistaked the boy's game like me. He too was worrying just like me as I worried yesterday. He feels so. The author felt seeing a person standing at the gate, thought standing at the gate, he was a white man because the person who was at the gate was a white person. The author was a black man. When the game was seen by the author yesterday or previous day, he thought there was a color discrimination. The white boy seems to be superior. Black boy or fit to square length is his thought. Today, so his doubt was clarified. But one more white person was watching the children's game just like him. He thought, I remembered what I had thought yesterday. He remembered what I had thought yesterday. How wrong motion did I have yesterday? He, no doubt, in the same way, he too was thinking like me. As I thought yesterday, he thought very wrongly. In the same way, this white person also thinking just like him today. Because today, black boy was giving the commands and white boy was accepting his commands so obediently. So he thought he was misunderstanding children's game. I thought to myself and wondering if the black race is superior to white. He was wondered. Black race is superior to the white. I laughed gently myself. He saw it, laughed himself. He laughed himself without anybody. He laughed himself and went to the psychology and thought, how silly we grown-ups are. So we are the silly. Who are silly? Children are not silly. Boys are not silly. Grown-ups are silly. This kind of ideas, this kind of notions came to the minds of the grown-ups only, but not for the children. So he thought, we are the silly. Who are silly? Not only the author, the grown-ups are silly. Because they misinterpret child's action. They misinterpret. His interpretation was wrong. What was interpretation? He took the game seriously. This game was not just a game. It was intentionally they are playing the white and black discrimination as the game. He thought. That's why he thought. He had a misinterpret yesterday. This man, I said to myself, he said to himself, this man, that man will be worrying all day. He too will be worrying all day, just like me as yesterday. How did I worry yesterday? I worried how our country, how the children have this kind of notion. The same way today, this white man also worrying all the day. Perhaps because he thinks the black will in the end rule over the whites. By just seeing this game, the white man at the gate will be worrying because he thought at the end, black man will rule over the white. The black man will rule over the white. Now, I will try to clarify. So, he wanted to clarify his doubts. So, don't let him to be misinterpreted. Just like him. That's why you want to clarify his doubts and drive away all the doubts from his. So he might have some doubts in his mind about this game. Let me clarify his doubts. So he advanced or moved towards that man, white man, who was standing at the gate. He went to him. See what he was going to say. Perhaps you are thinking that one day or other the black will rule over the whites. I know you do so, for you just saw how the black commanded the whites. But, gentlemen, don't have any such notions, for there's only a game. Just yesterday, I saw the little white boy commanding the black. Only grown-ups are silly, aren't we? I said. Without giving a chance to the white man to speak, he himself speak to the white man. He said, perhaps thinking that what we will going to think. He never said what he was thinking, but this our author, the black person, said to the white man who was standing at the gate. What he said? Perhaps you are thinking one day or another, the black will rule over the whites. The black will rule over the whites. I know you do so. I know. You definitely will think so because for just saw how the black commanded the white. Because you have just witnessed how the black boy commanded the white. By seeing this act, seeing this play of the children, you will definitely think so. But gentlemen, don't have any such wrong notions. Please don't have any such wrong notion. If you have such an idea, such emotions in your mind, come out of that. It is because it is not real. It is just a game. It is only a game. Just yesterday I saw, just the previous day I saw white boy commanding the black boy. Today black boy was commanding the white boy. So please come out of your ideas or come out of your notion. She said, only grown-ups are silly. Only grown-ups are silly. Aren't we? Said the author to the white man who was standing at the gate. The man was surprised at my outburst. He spoke spontaneously without giving a chance to speak to the white person. He said he was surprised. Why was he speaking to me like this? He looked at me smilingly. But he did not confuse him. He looked at our author smilingly. He said, I know all about the game. He said, I know all about the game. I know why you are telling me. I know everything about this game, everything about these children. He said, the boys are brothers. He said, the boys are, the black boy and white boy are not different children. They are not from different families. They are brothers. My sons said, why are you saying this? I know this game, the game of these boys. Both the boys are brothers and his own sons, the white man's sons. He pointed to the fair brown woman on the veranda who had just come out to call in the children. Just now, a one brown woman at the veranda was coming. He was just at the veranda to call the children in. He showed them, see, there is a woman. There was a black woman. There's my wife. He said, she is my wife. My wife is black and he is white. Because the children are so. One was like a father and another was like a mother. So there were the boys, the brothers were black and white in color because the black boy was like his mother and a white boy was like his father. So there is a color difference. After listening to the white man, once again he put to shame. I smiled. The author smiled. Once again I have misunderstood. The spirit laughed within me. The spirit, he had a great spirit. How this white boy will react, but it was not so within me. This is Jamaica. This is Jamaica, said to my heart. This is my country, my people. This is my country, my people. I looked at the white man. He smiled at me. We will miss you the train if you don't hurry, he said. He said, if you don't go fast, otherwise we have to go fast. If you don't go fast, definitely we are going to miss the train. Both are going to catch the train to their duty place. So, seeing this incident, we will come to know that only grown-ups, only elders mistaken the children's activity into their own idea of perception. Here also, our author here Andrex misunderstood the children's play and interpreted his own way. Even the next day, when he came to conclusion, he misunderstood their father, the white boy. They wanted to carry out the doubts. Actually, he hadn't any doubts because their own children, their own sons, their brothers, he said. Then these kinds of the incident we can witness while walking. That's why our author in the beginning said, walking is a pleasant thing. It's a very pleasant exercise for him. It's a good exercise. Because so many such kind of incidents we can see while walking on the road. Thank you. I think you are understood the lesson. Thank you. Thank you very much.